Life in the year 2200. In the past 2 episodes of our 5-part series, it was possible to think ahead to current technological developments and make halfway reliable predictions about the future. In this episode, this is no longer possible, since the technical progress that mankind can achieve by the year 2200 is indistinguishable from today's science fiction. Nevertheless, we hope you stay tuned and are inspired by our video. Space exploration. At this point, humanity has become a veritable space civilization and has colonized various moons and planets within our solar system. There are not only huge settlements on Earth's moon and Mars, but also floating cloud cities on Venus and a huge station on Ceres. As mentioned in the last video, humans have already left our solar system and are on their journey to promising exoplanets in huge generation spaceships. At this time, one will have discovered primitive extraterrestrial life and will study this. Furthermore, it's possible that humans will be in contact with a highly developed extraterrestrial race. It's possible that we may have formed an alliance or federation with them, but indeed we will exchange cultural, sociological, or technical information. Furthermore, it's possible that humanity would have started to construct enormous artificial worlds or megastructures, such as Dyson spheres or ring worlds, to harness the energy of stars and provide habitats for vast populations. But an O'Neill cylinder, like the Citadel from Mass Effect, would also be possible, with millions of people living on them. Technology. Starting in the 23rd century, humanity could be a Type 1 civilization on the Kardashev scale, harnessing all energies on Earth, from earthquakes to complete solar radiation. In addition, there are large-scale weather manipulations, and storms lose their terror. The holodeck, known from Star Trek, could become a reality and offer people undreamt-of leisure possibilities. One could use this to make past epochs of human history experienceable. Those who have always wanted to experience ancient Egypt or Rome will have the opportunity to do so. I only hope that mankind gets its warlike side under control by then. Otherwise, devastating catastrophes could be triggered. Antimatter bombs or the targeted crash of an asteroid on Earth will probably be only 2 of countless possibilities to cause devastating damage. A true revelation could be triggered by programmable matter used to construct buildings and infrastructure. With it, another idea from Star Trek could become reality, namely the Replicator. Universal language and communication. The development of advanced universal language systems or direct brain-to-brain communication could bridge linguistic and cultural barriers. Communication and understanding between individuals from different backgrounds or species might be seamless, leading to unprecedented levels of collaboration and cooperation. Health. Instead of the food we eat today, we'll probably just swallow a pill or drink containing all the nutrients we need in future. Thanks to nanotechnology in the hair, one can change one's hair color or hairstyle at any time. Due to medical progress, it's possible that diseases lose their horror and people can reach an enormous age. Urbanization and infrastructure. Huge high-rise buildings dominate the cityscape. Like roads and bridges, they're made of self-cleaning and self-repairing material. Huge holograms also dominate the cityscape. Thanks to the discovery of anti-gravity, there are also floating cities. Transportation. People no longer only travel on Earth, journeys to the Moon, Mars, or other planets in our solar system are just as commonplace. A cruise to the rings of Saturn or a visit to Olympus Mons on Mars are nothing special anymore. Work and education. It's unlikely that in the year 2200, humans will still have a job to earn a living. This will be done by human-like androids. If you still want to read a book or study, you can download the content directly into your brain to become an expert in any field in no time. Social and cultural shifts. Social changes this far into the future are difficult to predict. People will undoubtedly look back on human history with horror and not understand how not all people had access to clean water, medical care, or educational facilities at the beginning of the 21st century. Nor how greed prevented the world's resources from being equitably distributed. There could also be discussions about whether artificial life forms are entitled to the same rights as biological life forms. Further, there could be heated discussions about whether to terraform an alien planet where life could naturally develop. This could make life more pleasant for human colonists, but deprive a primitive alien species of its basis for existence. Thank you for your attention. What are your predictions for the year 2200? Write your thoughts in the comments.